Hi everyone, welcome to Kukhanya Nedisk. We promote fitness and healthy lifestyle. Please subscribe. Today we'll be focusing on lower body exercise. Get ready to challenge yourself. These workouts will help you build strong muscle, legs and hip and feel more energetic. Warm up will begin with some push-up to get your blood flowing, followed by squats. Remember to focus on your own form and take it at your own pace. It's time to target your legs and hips. We will do a series of exercises that will challenge your strength and endurance. We'll focus on your quadriceps and hamstring. Your hamstring for mobility and balance, so let's make sure to give them some love. Your hamstrings are responsible for knee flexion and hip extension. Strong hamstring can prevent injuries, improve athletic performance, and enhance your overall body strength. I hope you will enjoy these exercise and fitness tips. Subscribe to Ukukhanya Nedisk and follow us on Facebook, Ukukhanya Nedisk.